Hi guys, decoration fence panel can transforming an ordinary gardening or outdoor space into a visually appear and invite area. Whether you are look to enhance, provide privacy, add a touch of personal style or creation. The cub appear of your home. There are numbering create a way to decoration French panel. I guess well cover idea, style, and technology of make your French panel uh, outstanding, functional, all well often functionally and beauty to your space. Natural elements and vertical gardening, incorporating natural elements like plants and green is a perfect way to both your fans into the environment. White add color and living vertical gardening also now as living wall and trend and functional type of vertical gardening and plants attach some pots to the functional and grow flower hub or century there can be original or due for a more relaxed look. Plant tricks fiber or fat plants pick can be hub of the fence to grow smart plants. This original is perfect for hub or smart decoration plants. Use of vertical gardening can also enhance your fence but also maximize your gardening space. If your diet with limited group area, wall and material convenience. The convenience of wall and material have become a popular choice for French panel due to its modern yard rustic appear. This blend and sophistication to any outdoor space. How to extend of look. Incorporating metal design. Use long cut material screen if palette benefit wood plants that add an aesthetic touch while main interest durable and provide metal flange with wood palette surrounding wood flange panel with material flange such as iron and stone give a sleek contemporary finish. Wood and metal flange with high customizable and their durable make them a long lasting choice. Lights for embrace. Sticky lights can enhance the aesthetic appear of your French panel, make theme functional that renewable day and night. Lights other solar panel lights fit front and cost effective solar panel lights can be mounted on fence post or placed among to top edge of the fence. They provide soft illuminate and easy to enter LED light for a sleek contemporary look attached lights to be but on top on the fence panel. There can even be color change for add versatile. Good light is not highlight the fence decor but also leave the overall soft and usable of your outdoor space after due. Art and mooding. Trust your French funnel into a canvas for art is a great way to personalization your space and create a both statement idea for French art. Modern, a modern can attach a fixed French into various master price. You can hear and profess art or fan something yourself popular theme in cabin natural design and even screen that expand vertical space for your gardening. 3D wall art. Add to your fence with 3D art such as metal, craftwood, price, fix those, give the fence panel textile and a unique vertical space. Fence art can survey a stream focal point into your gardening, add an element of sophistication, creating outdoor art gallery for art love turn a fence into a outdoor gallery allow you to showcase your favorite prize in a create a edge away outdoor art display idea frame artwork weatherproof prize frame can be modern on the fence to display artwork or photographing your profile of natural screen art or personal photo to add a personal lead touch. Mirror, outdoor mirror, reference light, and create the allure of more space. Price mirror statement to bright your area of your gardening and reference your favorite view. Green or glass art, vibrant or glass price can be hub on your fence, provide your color and textile, repurpose and recycle material. Use or recycle material for your fence decor is not only budget friendly but also eco friendly. It's allow you to create unique of one of decade design idea for recycle palette. What what's palette to budget decoration build decoration fans such as shape or frame